Hello everyone! Ang food ko for today is sinabawang chicken with pineapple and egg white. Then meron ako ito, avocado juice. Dami nito guys. Ito guys. Saya. Yellow basket ko to. To precious avocado. Bili na kayo. Yan. Ngayon kain tayo. Hindi tayo sabaw. Sarap, manamis na miss na maalat. Perfect. Then ito pineapple. Then sayote. Kain. Yummy. Perfect. Galit tayo misit alat, tsaka yung anghang kasi may sili. Sarap nito guys, avocado. Don't forget to buy this. Sa yellow basket ito guys. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok. If you want to buy something, please click the yellow basket in this video and go to my TikTok shop. Bye!